I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the battery in a Cadillac SRX key fob. First, you'll need a few simple tools. Grab a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. It's important to have a clean, well-lit area to work in, as the components are small. This preparation ensures a smooth and easy battery replacement process for your key fob. Now, let's open the key fob. Press the small release button on the side and slide out the emergency key. Next, insert the tip of the emergency key or your small flathead screwdriver into the slot where the key was removed. Gently twist or pry to separate the two halves of the key fob casing. It might feel a little stiff, but it will come apart with careful pressure. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Use your small flathead screwdriver to gently pry the old CR2032 battery out of its compartment. Be careful not to damage the surrounding contacts. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the holder, ensuring the positive side, which usually has a plus sign, is facing down. It should click securely into place. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them together until you hear a click, ensuring they are securely fastened. Slide the emergency key back into its slot. To confirm everything is working correctly, test the key fob's functionality by locking and unlocking your Cadillac SRX. You should be good to go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.